Hello, Mech Warrior. Welcome aboard. Open plays Mech Warrior 5, all 4 DLCs, career mode, modded with yet another Mech Lab and some other minor admin stuff, quality of life issues. We are in the Cusset system, having just completed a dragon in sheep's clothing, or the other way around, sheep in dragon's clothing. Not sure. Doesn't matter. Our next stop, we're intending to go over here to Naha, take out Crimson Crusade, but I'm going to do it through a low-key, admittedly, Gunsberg, probably going to be about level 4 industrial hub, just to see what we got. Repair all of our mechs, stuff like that. It's kind of sort of on the way. Been out with a cold here recently. You might be able to hear it in my voice. If so, sorry about that. We'll try to get along without too much coughing and sneezing as well. Mech market always gives away the level. It's rather low. It's probably the same as the equipment market. Ooh, a heavy long sword. I'll take that large laser even though I got 4. Well, they got 4. Ah, okay. Yeah, I'll take all 4 of them. I'll take these 2. Not sure if I'm in the market for... Yeah, I'm still in the market for jump jets and still not able to find any of them whatsoever. And that is surprising to me. It's not usually quite that bad. Let me check out the barracks. That's a normal set of barracks, unlike what I've been looking at. And look at all these elites I've gotten in my stable. That's a lot of elite. My pilot record shows the ones I've had and fired. Get the same information for the ones I haven't fired yet. If I click on that, you get a record of kills, missions, etc., whether or not they have any affinities, or, I'm sorry, quirks or negative quirks. Let's run through real quick and make sure I'm all clean still. Just get them all a clean bill of health. One of the few that's under 60. I'm going to go ahead and get her some training. I won't be able to use her for the next couple of missions. Hold her at the same place. Don't want to give them up 2 days though, or 198, almost 200 days. We'll get them this.
Prepped and ready, Commander.
Goblin. Gonna need training forever. Need to take him out and actually run him. And the commander you can't train, but when you're an actual character you can. I do not at this point wish to hold him out. I'm going to use him for the next mission. Okay, that's it. Only those 3. I think I will hold pull OPA from the list of actives and let him train. We'll take 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, still got 4 pilots plus Commander Mason I can drop in as necessary. Williamsburg. Not seeing a lot of need to jump around the star system, find anything else. It's all going to be low tier stuff. We'll jump right down to Naha. Naja? 41 days. Trying to get my workspace all dedicated here because I've been sitting here watching movies on 4K and not playing games, and so you take up a different position when you're doing that. Did I accept it yet? Yes, I did. I'm not going to accept that. That's all the way down at the 7 o'clock position on the galactic map, all the way on the rim. 55, 230 ton. This is a, doesn't say it clearly, it's a beachhead. Yeah. As I recall, it's a pounder with artillery and all that other fun stuff. And just for the record, I am running the no artillery mod, so I'll be shot at, but not hit. I think that's how it works. So he's in training. Opa's in training. Otherwise, it's about the lightest mech I want to take, or lance I want to take anyway. So I need somebody who's good with guns, not in training, good with. Hey,
the lady in the air is gone. We're ready to go, Commander.
Phoenix Hawk, energy pilot. Lieutenant Rivas, you're in. Let's go get some. I don't mind going in heavies on a beachhead. Especially a high record.
We've landed just outside of city limits, Commander.
Beachhead.
In order to take the area back from the Crimson Inclination, we need to clear a path for the 6th Arcat Legion.
The keyboard's not working.
A lot can go wrong in...
Hate it when it does this. Right from the beginning, it's not a good omen. Sorry, folks, we're going to have to take care of this once and for all, in theory. That is the most annoying button I have out there. I very seldom use it for anything. I know it's in here. I'm going to be embarrassed if it's not. Okay, either I missed it, or it's not in there, but I'm sure it is. It would be right there with the toggles or torsions. Okay, you put up enough of me fumbling along.
A big operation like this, so keep your wits about you. Let's get to work. Once you've destroyed the radar dishes directing the anti-aircraft fire, our employer promises to land a few extra units to help you out. Recon has found artillery batteries scattered throughout the area. They couldn't find all of them, so track them down.
We have unidentified bottlenecks on screen. Assume they're hostile and engage.
They know you're here, Commander. Expect enemy artillery to be relentless.
Artillery, open fire.
Target neutralized.
Service is nuke. Target destroyed.
Why would somebody give him a call sign on nuke? Because that's the way it works. You're given a call sign, you don't make one. Just see that piece of artillery right there.
target.
Target acquired. Target destroyed.
Hostile spotted. Engaging. Hammer here. Toasted.
That's it for the artillery. That will make the invasion much easier.
It's neat. Target's trashed.
Yeah, we bit of artillery. They couldn't hit us anyway. But their supporting turrets could. Naturally. Buggy, let's go. Yeah. Alright, you.
Hammer here. Something's burning.
Get my paint.
Target acquired.
Copy that target.
Double tapped. Kind of like these missions with the long runs from one target to another, nothing going on, but what can I say? You gotta run to get ahead. And this is better than non-stop. Need time to mute the mic and blow my nose. Tank or a mech coming up over here. Target here. Turret down here.
Heads up. I got a new contact.
Where'd my turret go? It's new and different. Something just sprung up out of nothing underneath my feet. Just cannot put that antenna down, huh?
That's the last radar installation on the list. Objective complete.
Nah, just to be fair, I gotta go do all this stuff. It's the right thing to do.
Incoming missile. Target acquired.
You set him up, I'll knock him down.
Target destroyed.
got to change the names that are shown because I don't know who Hammer is. Is it Alan, Salinas, or Rivas? I got to make their on-screen here names, whatever their call signs are. It just makes sense. I don't know who's who.
That bottleneck is marked for destruction.
Which one's
Fire
that?
started.
That'd be that one.
Secure the perimeter.
Either way, they're
That's the
both gonna
place,
die.
Commander. Destroy the enemy garrison.
New target, Spider.
Always little devils are getting hard to hit, aren't they? Trying to bring my sights around while he was in the air. A lot better if my guys would actually keep up with me.
Copy that. I am up to the task.
A little bit of Vulcan dinner.
Acquired.
That's better.
Target destroyed.
That's funny, don't use the turret.
Target acquired.
Inconvenient rock. We'll take out this, capture this town, see what the next step is. I thought there's a capture zone. Well, I still got 2 more units to take out, including that one right there, perhaps. Don't play peekaboo, are we? Down now. Oh, missed. Twice. There we go. Those ones are defending units. Somehow I missed something. That wasn't one of them either.
Allied forces have destroyed our defenses. All forces in the area converge and eliminate.
That takes care of the garrison units. Move in to take control. We've taken the primary objective for the Legion. Now, we just need to hold it. Here come the strike teams. Look to the sky. Enemy aircraft inbound.
Attention all forces. You are cleared to fire on base. Repeat. Fire for effect. Fire at will.
Guess there was more enemy artillery than we thought. Watch out. To arrive shortly.
Target destroyed.
They know what we're up to, and they're going to want to stop this invasion before it starts. Hold this position.
I don't think that's possible. They don't have a time machine. This is not the game I thought I was playing. Ammo check. I got plenty. I know it's over there. I also know it's not one of the things I'm looking for. Oh, low on SRM, just I am.
Hammer here.
Okay.
Take it.
Get to save those for shooting light mechs in the legs. A couple of VTOLs. Why my allied mechs are shooting everything else in sight.
No problem. Check this out.
That's not what I wanted to do.
Yes, sir. Targeting.
Chatter indicates more enemy units inbound.
The way something's punching at me. Sounds like something's punching me.
I got him.
Target acquired.
Usually closer is easier to hit. Not in the place who's fast, guys.
Target acquired. New target, Locust.
Hostile forces have just been dropped in, Commander. They're heading your way.
Late there.
This is Brigadier General Rozerski with the 6th Arkham Legion. Thank you for clearing the way, Commander. My forces are inbound. All forces, move in!
Did that
Mercenary!
dropship just take
As
out
long as
a
you're here,
VTOL?
we could use the help clearing out the rest of the field.
Target acquired.
Here it comes.
Get out of this RM.
Target destroyed.
I'm on him.
Too fast for me.
Hammer, he's not going anywhere. This is Meat. Gotcha, Crawler.
Target acquired.
Indestructible.
Hammer here. Vehicle destroyed.
Target acquired.
Copy that.
Moving.
Destroyed.
Hammer here. He's not going anywhere.
Got something still left. I should probably tell them to cease fire, but they might actually see the target and shoot it. Well, they were dropped over here. Let's go see if they're over here.
Roger that. That should do it.
Okay.
I'd say we have dealt a devastating blow to Franzen's operations here today. Thank you again for your help, mercenary. We can handle the rest of the insurgents from here.
Let's get out of here, Commander, and count our blessings. It's not often an operation of this scale goes off this smoothly.
That was Crimson Crusade, Episode 1, or Mission Number 1. $2.2 million C-Bells, 320 reputation. Only 2 picks. We'll go for the medium laser tier 3. Everybody did some pretty good damage. Nobody got significantly shot up, and that's a major part of it. Let's see. 62 kills. Not bad. I got my spiders. Now, if only I could get these pesky jump jets. Am I looking in the wrong place or something? Nope. No jump jets to be had. Yeah. Any mechs? Not ones you'd want. How about repair facilities? And once again, not one you'd want. 12 days, not too bad. We'll get them right back in there again. Don't worry, I'm going to get this guy out in one of these missions coming up soon. And speaking of coming up soon, I have got to stop using him because he's going to be needed for mission 4, and I want to make sure he's ready without having to wait. So, and I know the tonnage goes up next time around. So I'm going to cancel that, and then I'll take a good hard look at my Phoenix Rock here and see what I can do to make him ready for that. And one of those things is going to be to go into him because I want this. In 5 days. And what that means is we'll go ahead and repair him so he has repaired all. No, he won't. I got 13 days to go, so let's take a look and in case there's anything else minor wise. 4 jump jets. I'll put this in one of the legs. I don't know why I didn't do that earlier. Everything else stays pretty much the same. I don't need more than a ton. I don't think I want to put more jump jets on them. Oh, I'm not max armored. That's not good. That's not good at all. You'd think that the Indo would help with that, but it does not. Now I've got to have enough kill power to knock out those towers I got coming. So I'm going to have to leave it like it is, and if we get to the next place, I'll take another look at it. Except number 2. Fly on up to number... I don't know what that was. Me clicking the wrong place, huh? Manadorf. 13 days. Everybody healed. Repaired. It's 60. It's a major jump there, huh? 55 to 60. 270 tonner. I didn't read the mission specs well enough. Demolition. We'll get rid of him. Let's see, that is the Brawler one already, which is good. Revis is out. Are we glad that I had a backup pilot? We are. That would have been ugly, huh? So I'm kind of stuck taking the Crusader now. No, I got the Dragon. Tons light, but he's got a ballistics, and the ballistics are good for shooting at buildings and such. Let me just check. I mean, obviously, I could take the Crusader, the long-range missile one, and that would be an extra 5 tons. But I think I need something more suited for the mission. And since nobody out here has any affinity really going forward, we'll just ride with that. I didn't paint the Dragon yet. Go figure.
Attention. Prepare for battle mech departure.
Oh yeah, that's the Dragon I got. Dragon in sheep's clothing.
Stand clear.
Reactor online. Sensors
Default on.
online. Weapons online. All systems nominal.
Alright, Commander. The Crimson Inclination seem to have taken refuge in this area. House Karita wants us to eliminate them before they have a chance to regroup and rebuild into something that can threaten civilian populations again.
What is that graphic artifact of the dots on the water? Gotta figure that one out and fix it. After the mission.
Target acquired.
Check the one on the right, figuring they'd take out the one on the left. Push that trigger about 2 microseconds. Too late.
Target acquired. Target destroyed.
I'm running a mouse that's supposed to have a less than 1 microsecond latency.
Target destroyed.
I'm not buying it. I know what you mean, I've already bought it. Now I gotta try to believe it. But to get all the way in there, nobody shot in.
Target acquired. New target, Centurion.
Did not hear a sweet answer saying,
Target acquired.
but of course we'll shoot at him, boss. Cruising away.
They must be Curison forces. They found us.
Boom.
is at 75% capacity. Is at half strength. Keep going.
I can't do that, boss.
You're nearly finished, Commander.
Where are they at? Yeah, of course the tree. Much easier to kill when they're going away from you.
New target, Javelin.
No, you didn't. Oh, crap.
Roger that.
Just told mate to run the hell over there.
Requesting new target. Commander, I'm taking fire.
That's why I'm telling you to run.
No problem, boss.
Why finish these buildings?
Target acquired.
Roger.
Target neutralized.
It's
He's an
done.
assassin
The
who's looking for
Crimson
me.
Inclination presence has been eradicated from the area. I doubt they'd even pose much of a threat at all to an entire Curitan regiment. However, Franson doesn't appear to have been here either. Let's get you back to the ship and report your encounter to our ISF liaison.
Sir, this is Nukes. Target destroyed.
Target
Destroyed.
I'm on him.
Yeah, and that should be the Crusader to my left. Yeah, it is.
I'm on him.
I've seen other players play beat up mechs other ways, like jump into them and use them, keep them safe, and some just tell the pilot to eject, or to shut down and not power, you know. Not eject, but shut down. If I switch into it, shut it down. Switch back, make sure you still want back in it. I don't know how to do that for sure. That's my way of doing it. Get them out of the field. Well, I got 3 picks and I gotta take these jump jets. Yep, gotta take all 3. All the complaining I've been doing about how hard they are to find, when they do show up, you kinda gotta take them. And turn them in. We needed 6 anyway. Excuse me. Still very much got a cold going on. I need to check out that Crusader, although right here he's saying he's whole. But 45 days says he's not really, huh? There he goes, yeah. Both arms gone. Alright. He's out of this one. But 185k is not too bad for that. Of course, now it's 314 and 20. Yeah, okie dokie. I don't need him for the next mission. I could save that money. I got 2 more to go, that's right. I don't need him for the next 2. And I'm gonna run down here. I'm gonna be picky with my money. Need to pick up the mission first. Ardos for number 3. We're going to actually run this one in the next episode of Open Plays MechWarrior 5. Until then, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And, until then, Opus out.